instructor Taylor Taytray. Thank you guys for your support. I've been uploading all these contents because of you. So guys, today I have a new video for you for the remaining features of the model townboard. That is the two-way traffic, parking zones, the yellow curbs, stop sign and giveaway sign. We are going to finish with exit from the main road. So if you've learned something on this topic of the model townboard, like and subscribe for more contents. Let's do it. So the next thing we have here, two-way traffic. You only keep left when you're driving on a two-way traffic. That's the major rule that applies. So when you're driving on a two-way traffic, keep left. We have two lanes here. You're wondering which direction is this lane going to? Which one is this one going to? It's very easy. Keeping left means you use the leftmost side of the road. So someone will be using this side when going towards this direction. That is keeping left. If you want to travel from this side to the other side, obviously you'll be using this side. That is what we mean by keeping left. When using a two-way traffic, always keep left unless overtaken. So two-way traffic, when you're making turns, also we have options. Let's begin from here. I'm moving from a two-way traffic to join a two-way traffic. I can either make a left turn or I can either make a right turn. That is why we call it two-way traffic, two opposite directions. Okay. So when you want to make a left turn like this, you have a line here. The line is reminding you to stop, to observe the oncoming vehicle from the other side, from that side, before you make that turn. So stop, check your right side. If it's clear, you make a left turn. Okay. How about for a right turn? Right turn, you're going to do like to do this kind of turn. So you're crossing this lane and you're ending up on that lane. So you have to check the oncoming vehicle from the right side and from the left side too, for you to make a right turn. It's very important. This one here is a pedestrian crossing. Pedestrian crossing is a point on the road that is marked for pedestrians to cross the road safely. If you're a driver, you have to approach a pedestrian crossing like this, slow down and stop if it is in use. If it is not in use, then you have to proceed slowly. Never stop on pedestrian crossing. Or making a turn from a two-way traffic to a one-way traffic. Let's talk about that. And I'm using a two-way traffic. I want to make a left turn to join this one-way traffic. One of the fundamental rules of the one-way traffic is that you have to join the middle lane to avoid overlapping. You have so many vehicles heading towards the same direction as yours, so do not overlap. Making a left turn, indicate left, join the middle lane. So the middle lane in our case here is the leftmost lane. Making a left turn to join a one-way traffic, make sure you join the leftmost lane. How about making a right turn to join a one-way traffic from a two-way traffic? Ensure you give way to an oncoming vehicle from the opposite side, the one that is oncoming from this side. So after giving way, you have to join the rightmost lane to avoid overlapping. Okay, so you have to go like this. You get right, give way, then you join this lane. That's how it goes. Have another scenario, that is when moving from a two-way traffic to a two-way traffic. Let's see. So if you want to make a left turn, it's very easy. Just join the immediate lane there. It's going to be for a left turn because you want to keep left. Okay, do not overlap, please. Okay, so join the immediate lane and continue keeping left. How about for a right turn? Also, it's same applies. We have this sign here. You can see this sign here. This sign means priority for oncoming traffic. Two arrows represents a two-way traffic. The red arrow is for whoever is approaching this sign, which is you, so you have to stop. If you see an oncoming vehicle from opposite side, you have to stop for them until when it's clear, then you make a right turn. So this one applies when you want to make a right turn from a two-way traffic to join another two-way traffic, for example here. So you have to give way to an oncoming vehicle from the opposite side, then join this road here. Is that clear? Nice. We have the parking zones. Parking zones, we have two parking zones here. The first one is this one that has spaces in an angular form. Controlled parking zone. Why is it controlled? It is secured. It has a common entrance and exit. Okay, so this is a controlled parking zone. We can also call it angle parking zone because for you to park in this parking zone, your vehicle must be parked like this in an angular form, as you can see. Okay, in an angular form. So you move like that, enter with a forward gear. If you want to exit, reverse a bit, then forward to the exit. That's why we call it angle parking zone. Now we can also call it ample parking zone. Like it has a lot of space, as you can see, it has a lot of space only in one same confine. So how many spaces are there? There are 8 spaces. Okay. So the first entrance is coming from this one traffic side, and it's this one. This is the entrance. this is the exit for those who maybe have entered through this side. So the unmarked part is the entrance, the marked part is the exit. So when you want to park on this side, you have to come like this, indicate left, you enter the parking zone, indicate left, then you park like that. Okay? If you want to leave, reverse, and then you forward. This is your exit. So it means that this parking runway over here looks like a two-way traffic. You keep left. So this parking runway looks like a two-way traffic. You just keep left, use this side. Do not use this side. Okay? And you park using forward here. If someone will enter through this side, they will keep left, and then they will park like that. Reverse a bit, then forward to exit. 8 parking spaces in our controlled parking zone. Let's see how we can park a total of 8 vehicles. Okay, I have 8 cars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And we have 8 spaces here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's try to park all these cars. I hope we know the options 215, 2124, and how to change lanes and how to suggest the shortest accurate route. So we want to park all these cars. Are we going to start with? As you all know that this is a roundabout and we must begin with the oncoming vehicle from the right side. You have really to watch out on that. So which cars do you think are oncoming from the right side? They are these ones. No, it's that one, the yellow one, okay? Because these ones are stopping for these 3 cars, and the 3 cars should be also checking the oncoming vehicle from the right. So let's start with the yellow one, okay? We want to park it on the control parking zone, on any space, beginning from the farthest end, okay? Let's go. U-turn, change lane, indicate left, give way, slow down for pedestrians, indicate left, turn left. That's the first car has been parked. This car is going to be the yellow car. I'm going to make a right turn like this. That is a 3 o'clock turn. Indicate left, then you change lane. We can't enter the parking zone yet because we've already passed the entrance. So just give way, indicate left, and make a left turn. Slow down for pedestrians. Indicate left, and then you turn left. You're going to take the second space here. The other car is this one because there's no oncoming vehicle from the right side. We can go ahead and also make a right turn. Join the second lane because we are maintaining the mid lane. Change lane, indicate left. Here also you have to give way, and then you're going to make a left turn. Slow down for pedestrians, indicate left. Enter the parking zone to the third space. Nice. The other car is this one, white one. Okay. So because white one has these 2 guys on in front of it, let's finish up with these ones. Okay. Let's begin with this. Indicate right, change lane, and then here you're going to make a U-turn after giving way. Then you can slide to the first lane, turn left, then you turn right after giving priority to an oncoming vehicle from the opposite side. Enter the parking zone, then park right there. So the other side of the parking zone is full. Okay, we have 4 spaces here left for these cars. Now, because this guy is still in front of this with his on yet, okay? So let's take it to the parking zone. I'll indicate right, and then I'll change lane, make a U-turn after giving way, then I head to the roundabout again. When you get here, we were told to observe the oncoming vehicle from the right side. So there's this car from the right side. Okay, I will not give it way because I'm assuming that it's making a left turn. It's making a left turn. It's making a left turn. So that's why I can make my left turn too. If I may be asked why have I not given it way, it's because I know I'll have to make a left turn with it. So that's why I can enter the parking zone. I can take the first space here. Now because we agreed that this car is turning left, it is coming from the right side of them. So let's finish up with this one now because it has the right of the way. Straight, 0 degrees. Indicate right, change lane. Give way, make a U-turn. Also, I'll slide to the first lane. Then because I know the blue car is still turning left, so I can make a left turn. Then I take that space. That is correct. Now, we are going to take the blue car now. The blue car is turning left. Remember that. It's turning left. So let's turn left. Indicate right. Slide to the 4th lane. Give way. Make a U-turn. Then you have to change lane to the first lane. There's a left turn option. Make a left turn. Enter the parking zone. Take that 7th space. We have the last car here. It will take that remaining space. So I get the better route to go to do 270, then you can go use the same the same entrance. 270, that's a P turn or 9 o'clock turn. Slow down, indicate right, make a U-turn. Join the fourth lane. Indicate left, slide to the left or to the first lane. Then you have to check if there's an oncoming vehicle from the right side. There's none, so we can just make a left turn, enter the parking zone. And this is how you can park your car from the farthest left, okay? Yes. The next parking zone we have is the flash parking zone. This parking zone you cannot park for a long time. This parking zone is only meant for a short time parking. Why? Because it is uncontrolled. Oh yes, again it's uncontrolled. It has no entrance or exit. You park at your own risk at a very short time. So controlled parking zone is meant for saloon cars only. Saloon cars only. Okay? A flash parking zone, if you want to park on a flash parking zone, you have to use reverse gear. So you go past the space and then you reverse like that. That is how you can park on a flash parking zone. But here we were using forward gear to park, then reverse and forward. Here we're using reverse gear to park. Then if you want to exit, you have to check your side mirror, then you exit like that. Okay? If there's a vehicle that's already parked here and you want to park the second one, just head like this, go past the space or beyond the space, and then you reverse like that. Okay guys, so that's how you park on a flash parking zone. Don't worry about the sizes of my car because it doesn't matter on the model tumble. What you have to know is how to park on a flash parking zone. Now let's try to park on a flash parking zone. Let's park 3 cars on a flash parking zone. So I have these 3 cars, 1, 2 and 3 to be parked on these 3 spaces on the flash parking zone. We want to try to do it right now, okay? So which one shall we begin with? Let's begin with this one, to remove it from the control parking zone to the flash parking zone. Start your car, reverse and then forward, indicate left, give way, indicate left again, and then you turn left. So as you're turning left, you stop, check your right side if there's an oncoming vehicle. Yes, there is. I'm not giving it way because it's using the third lane. Let me just turn left, give way, indicate left, then I turn left. Then I'm going to go beyond this parking space and then I'll engage reverse gear, reverse like that. Between this and this, which one will start? It's the yellow one because it's coming from the right side. Do the right turn, indicate left and then you turn left. You have to stop, indicate left and then you turn left again. Use reverse gear to park, just like that. One last car, the white car. We are going to go straight also. The first option, which is 12 o'clock. Indicate left and then you change lane. Stop to give way. Then you are going to turn left. Engage reverse gear to park, just like that. We have the yellow painted pavements, as you can see here. A very good example of a yellow painted pavement. So what does this mean? It means you should never park, stop or wait. So let's see, where do we have the yellow painted pavement? At the roundabout, or we cannot stop at the roundabout. In the middle of the road or in the middle of the highway, at an entrance or exit used by other vehicles. So the yellow painted pavement, which is this, means that you should never park, stop or wait. Yellow painted pavements are called yellow curbs. Yellow curbs. Next one comes from this chart. We call it stop sign or halt sign. The stop sign is also represented on the model town board. And also we have this. We call it give way sign. Okay. So the give way sign is also represented on the model town board. It's a major feature. So the 2 road signs are also major features. Stop sign is this. It's a white continuous line across the lane or across the road. You can see, and it is found when you're joining a 2-way traffic, while a give way sign is a white broken line across the lane or across the road that you're finding when you're joining a 1-way traffic. So this is a stop sign, this is a give way sign. Another one here is a stop sign because we are moving from the parking zone to join a 2-way traffic. This is a give way sign because we are moving parking zone to a 1-way traffic. This one is a stop sign, okay? And also give way sign is this, because it's from a 1-way traffic to a 1-way traffic. You want to make a U-turn. You want to make a U-turn to join this side. The give way sign is broken, stop sign is continuous. Another one is the exit from the main road. This is the exit from the main road. Now we have different types of exit from the main roads. This is like a 1-way traffic that goes like this, and this is also another 1-way traffic. So this one goes like this, goes like this. This one also goes up like this. Okay, there's an arrow here, you can make a U-turn. This one goes down now, goes down. Okay, So this one-way traffic looks like this. Then we have the first lane, second lane going up. Okay, these are central pavement, and also another traffic here goes up. This is another first lane and second lane goes up. Okay, but this one, second lane, first lane goes down. So if you're using this lane and you want to join this traffic, this is an exit from the main road. You're exiting from this main road, you're joining this one. Okay, and if you want to leave this one to join this same direction, then you will slide like that. I hope you guys have ever seen that. Okay, but the other one that we have on our model town road, which is this, making a U-turn. For making a U-turn, it's this one. You can make a U-turn to join this side of the road. Okay, so you can make a U-turn to join this side of the road, and also here also you can make a U-turn to join the other side of the road. Thank you guys for watching. If you think that was perfect and it was really done perfectly and it's also helpful, guys, just subscribe for more and like this video, share to your friends, and keep in touch because I have another lesson coming in for one-way traffic and the options. Okay, so if you think that was helpful, just like, subscribe and share, and comment down below. Bring up any discussion or anything you want me to correct or anything you want me to add, or if you have any question, just comment it down in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.
Oh,